First Warn 5 Weather Report, supported by Bert Ogden and Fiesta Dealerships.
And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks for staying with us. We're going to be talking about some rain chances for the next couple of days, so hang on to those umbrellas. And to add to that, a flash flood watch is now in effect for Starr County, shown in the green until Monday morning. We're already seeing thunderstorms just on the doorstep of Starr County, but these are moving very slowly to the northeast, not quite making it into the county just yet. But as the night goes on, we're going to keep in that decent chance, that good chance for showers and thunderstorms in the upper valley with a smaller chance for some rain. So locally heavy rain is a good possibility with these thunderstorms. Temperatures right now 81 degrees in Weslaco, 80 degrees in Harlingen, 82 in Port Isabel and Brownsville, but 87 degrees in Rio Grande City and 86 in McAllen. We have a 50% chance of thunderstorms overnight in the upper valley and a 30% chance of thunderstorms overnight in the mid and lower valley. We don't expect severe thunderstorms, meaning like damaging winds or hail, but some locally heavy rain is a possibility for tonight as well as for tomorrow. And for tomorrow, your day planner forecast 78 degrees at 8 a.m. We're up to 90 degrees at noon and 92 at 5 p.m. We're going to put in a 40% chance of thunderstorms during the day, especially for the late morning to afternoon hours. And then come tomorrow night, we ramp those rain chances up to 70% for tomorrow night as well as for Tuesday. Let's take a look at the tropics. Here's the Atlantic Ocean. This is the east coast of the U.S., and there is Tropical Storm Florence with maximum winds of 70 miles per hour. Florence moving to the west at 6 miles an hour. Here's the official forecast track from the National Hurricane Center. We expect Florence to become a hurricane later tonight or tomorrow. And then the Hurricane Center expects Florence to become a major hurricane. And look at that. That's the forecast cone. Right now it includes the Carolina coast. That could change, but people along the southeastern U.S. coast should be watching and preparing for Florence for this weekend as it starts to move closer for next week. To the east of Florence in the eastern Atlantic Ocean, we have tropical storms Isaac and Helene. Now, Helene is not expected to be a threat to the U.S. according to this forecast track. These are official forecast tracks. We expect Helene to make a turn toward the northwest and stay over open Atlantic waters, but Isaac bears watching because the forecast calls for Isaac to continue to the west, eventually entering the Caribbean Sea by next Thursday, and it's still a long ways away from the southeastern U.S. and here in Texas. So just bears watching at this point, that is with Isaac. Back home in Texas, we have this trough shown in the dotted yellow line, a lot of rain forming along it, and then a front that is just to the north of the valley over Laredo. And because of these two things, as well as a big trough of low pressure aloft, a lot of instability and moisture in place, that's why these good rain chances will continue for tonight into tomorrow as well as for the start of the work week. So here is Future Track. Here's one model. This model thinks we could see some showers and thunderstorms overnight, touching at least the upper valley, then a chance for some showers and thunderstorms in the lower valley at 6 a.m. And then another chance for some showers and thunderstorms perhaps at 1 o'clock in the afternoon for the upper valley, moving into the mid valley by the mid-afternoon. Here's another model. Now, this model has been quieter overnight, especially for points east. But I think we could still see some showers and thunderstorms overnight, especially for the upper valley. Look at 6 p.m. tomorrow, though. This model thinks we could see some showers and storms in the mid and lower valley, moving into the lower valley for tomorrow night as well. And then another chance for some showers and thunderstorms, especially for Monday afternoon. So to recap, we have a 40% chance of thunderstorms tomorrow during the day, followed by a 70% chance of nighttime thunderstorms. Locally heavy rain possible tomorrow during the day and for tomorrow night. And then we have a 70% chance of thunderstorms for Monday, followed by a 60% chance of rain on Tuesday. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast at 5 to 15 knots. Bay waters are moderate chop and the seas are 2 to 4 feet. So for tonight, 30% to the east, 50% to the west, 77 the overnight low. Then for tomorrow, 40% chance of rain during the day, followed by a 70% chance of thunderstorms at night with highs in the mid-90s. Hang on to the umbrellas for next week. Still a 70% chance of rain Monday, followed by a 60% chance of rain on Tuesday, but at least those high temperatures should only be in the upper 80s for Monday. That's your First Warn 5 forecast.